In today's video, we're taking a look at UPay in 2026. What it is, how it works, its key features, and whether it's actually worth using. If you are thinking about using UPay for payments or financial transactions, this video will help you decide quickly. Let's get started. What is UPay? UPay is a digital payment platform that allows users to send and receive money, pay bills, and manage transactions online. It's mainly designed for fast, simple, and low cost payments, especially in regions where mobile payments are growing rapidly. Think of it as an alternative to apps like PayPal, Cash App, or local mobile wallets. Key features. Here are the most important features of UPay. Instant transfers. Send money quickly to other users with minimal delays. Bill payments. Pay utilities, subscriptions, and services directly through the app. Mobile wallet. Store your balance and use it anytime without needing a bank card. User-friendly interface. The app is simple and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Security measures. Includes basic encryption and authentication to protect your account. Pros. Let's go over the advantages. Fast and convenient transactions. Simple setup and easy to use. Useful for everyday payments, works well on mobile devices, lower fees compared to some traditional services. Cons. Of course, nothing is perfect, and as we all know, it has some downsides. Not as widely accepted as bigger platforms like PayPal, limited availability depending on your country, customer support can be slow at times, fewer advanced features compared to competitors. Pricing and fees. UPay is generally free to download and use, but it may charge small transaction fees, withdrawal fees depending on method, currency conversion fees if applicable. Overall, fees are relatively low, but always check inside the app for exact charges in your region. Who should use UPay? UPay is a good choice for people who want a simple mobile wallet, users making local transfers, anyone looking for a low cost payment solution, but it may not be ideal if you need international payments on a large scale, if you want advanced financial tools or integrations. UPay versus competitors. Compared to platforms like PayPal, UPay is simpler and cheaper, but PayPal is more powerful and widely accepted. Compared to local wallets, UPay is competitive, but not always the top option depending on your country, so it really depends on your needs. Final verdict and conclusion. So is UPay worth it in 2026? If you want a simple, fast, and affordable payment app, UPay is a solid option. But if you need global support or advanced features, you might want to look at bigger platforms. Overall, UPay is a good lightweight payment solution, but not a full replacement for major financial apps. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful and useful, please do not forget to support us with like and subscribe. Let me know down below in the comments, have you tried UPay and what do you think about it? Share this video to your friends. See you in the next video.